Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. So I did a makeup tutorial. So this is my everyday makeup look. It's a soft glam and I wanted to share with you guys how I achieved this look. So if you want to see how this look was achieved, please stay watching. I use super affordable products for this look. So there we go. So I always start my makeup up with a fresh face. So I just got my hair out of the way. I'm going to be using the Milk Hydro Grip Primer and I just tapped off as my base. I love using this primer. Got like recommendations on TikTok. A couple of people said it's good for like really oily skin and I've been using it for a while now. So far so good. So moving on to my eyebrows, I just go in with this pencil that I got from the drugstore. Yeah, so I'm just gonna do my eyebrows.
Don't know why you had to hurt me like that. Cause now I'm messed up, drinking non-stop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that.
So after doing my brows, I just go in with my foundation. I use my lighter shade foundation as a base, as a concealer for like under the brows. So I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 315, so that is in soft honey. So I just take it and I just like go in with my angle brush and I just go in to trace my eyebrows, like make sure that they are all good.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you.
So guys, after doing my eyebrows, I move first to do my foundation and I'm using the Maybelline Fit Me in 330, which is Toffee. So I just like use my angle brush and like get the product spot on all over my face. I really don't like using tons of product. Like this is really minimal. I just like go all over my face and just like get the product where I want it to be concentrated.
Listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure.
Like this first part, I like going in with the lighter foundation shade, which is still the Maybelline. This is the Soft Honey 315. I like taking this under my eyes because I kind of like have some dark circles, so I just like bring it over my eyes and just like define the area that I want the product to go. So it's I got this from the drugstore as well. It's just like a little pink peachy kind of blush. So I just get like another brush and just take this product and just like apply it over my face, over like I don't want to make my whole face look like too red or like a clown. I just like apply this over my cheeks. Like, I really love using blush. It just makes my cheeks peach. So yeah. So guys, once I'm done with that, I then move in with my Sacha buttercup setting powder. I know that some people no longer use this, but I still like it. I still use it. I guess I've had this for a while now, and I got this on Amazon, and I really like it. This is like one of the things that I didn't get from the drugstore, but from Amazon. So I just like get like a generous amount, and I'm gonna like apply it under my eyes. So I just like let the product stay in for like a few minutes, and then I just like brush it all off. I just like brush off all the product. Thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something. I was so sure. Let my guard down for you. So we're gonna move on over now to the eyes. So for my eyes, I don't really use tons of eyeshadow. I just go in my highlighter palette that I got like from the drugstore, and I just go in for like, let's say this color. I'm just gonna use this as I don't know, some like a eyeshadow. Just gonna go over this and like yeah, just to make my eyes pop a little bit. So now guys, I am going to use this as, so this is an eyelash liner. This is an eyelash glue / liner. So it's like a 2-in-1. It has made my lash application process so simple, so simple. So I just get it, and it's super pigmented. So this is what the wand looks like, and it makes it so easy for you to like draw on. So I'm just going to like apply like, oh my god, I made a mistake.
Stuck in the past watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop.
So guys, here are the lashes I'm going to be using today. I got these lashes from Shein. Yeah, I got these lashes from Shein. So I'm just gonna be using my tweezers and the lashes. So I have like it here. I'm just gonna look down like this.
Forget you and everything we said, but I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that, love me like that? Oh, staying inside in my bed all day long, listening to sad songs and feeling so low, thinking about you and where we went wrong. I wanna know why you let me go.
So moving on, my favorite part of makeup is getting my lips done. So I'm going to be using two lip colors, and I'm gonna just use my uh I'm gonna use this, sorry, the other one was pretty much done, so I'm gonna use this just to line my lips.
Drinking nonstop, just trying to forget you and everything we said. But I can't seem to get these thoughts out of my head. Baby, why'd you have to love me like that? Love me like that. Oh.
So to finish up my makeup look, I go in with the milk, let's see, to the Hydro Grip Refresh Spray so that everything kind of stays in place.
In the past, watching videos of us. I have been trying to get rid of your stuff, but voices in my head are telling me to stop. It's all I have left, all I have of you. Thought I was more than a body to hold, baby. I wanted you, wanted us to be something more. I was so sure, but let my guard down for you. Baby, why'd you have to love